We're here with head football coach Troy Morrill. What was the process of choosing what bowl game to play in and who we're playing?
We had a couple different opportunities to choose from, but ultimately we figured that the best place to play was in our home state, where our fans were, able to come. So that was important to us as far as where we went, making it accessible for our fans, and I feel very fortunate to be able to go to a bowl game. Number one, because there's not many opportunities out there in the country, and so we're excited to be playing in the Citizens Bank Bowl against Trinity Valley.
What are your thoughts in playing in the Citizens Bank Bowl?
Definitely have a great opponent there. I wish we could have had some more input on dictating who that opponent is, but just for the ranking purposes, there's no question that we've got a top-notch opponent to play in Trinity Valley with the athletes that they've got and success that they've had over the years. So we'll have our hands full there, but a lot of people are asking, why aren't we playing the number 3 team, in the country, Grand Rapids, who's undefeated, and that kind of thing. And it was out of our control on that part of it. The bowl committee, the Citizens Bank Bowl, are going to pick the best opponent that they feel is going to bring people to their stadium and to their bowl game. So there's no doubt it's going to be a great game. It's a great matchup. We've played them a few times in the past, and the conference that they come out of is extremely strong, and we'll definitely have our hands full.
How do you plan to prepare for the bowl game?
Well, just like every year, we got to deal with this time off, and we've got a lot of our sophomores will be taking visits. You got guys will be transitioning home for Thanksgiving and so forth. So it's just a matter of us managing that time well and staying in good shape and sharp on our skills.
All right, thanks, Coach.
Thank you.